Each of the playlists are then aggregated into what we call learning pathways. And learning pathways are a series of video plans that help you prepare for a job role. We have got a mix of learning pathways here: investment banking, investment management, equity research, sales and trading, engineering, operations, private equity, credit analysis, and restructuring. Let's jump into the investment banking pathway. And you can see that this has been designed around 3 levels: the intern level, the analyst level, and advanced content for people who've been in work for at least 6 months. In the intern content, I click on accounting fundamentals and you can see it's got 23 videos and 1 quiz. And if I come down to M&A and fundamentals, you can see it's 10 videos and 1 quiz. In the analyst content, I've got accounting, I've got financial modeling, and these are a series of playlists. So financial modeling has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different playlists, and they all have videos and a quiz as part of them. So this is like a dedicated pathway that you can create for somebody who's entering a new job role. And it's not just investment banking, it's pretty much any role within finance that people will encounter. In some situations, you may have very specific needs for a new person. So what do you do then? Well, you can create your own pathway. If I come up to pathways and I choose content assignment, what I can then do for my cohort is choose specific playlists that I want them to continue. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to assign content. And let's say we wanted some accounting content. And I'm going to pull in accounting fundamentals, and perhaps I want some modeling. I'm going to do 3-step modeling with iterations. And let's say I'm going to give them some derivative content. And I'm going to cover derivative essentials, equity derivatives, and some fixed income derivatives. And perhaps I want some writing skills. And I'm going to add that as well. And I can rearrange this to have it in the order that I want. I can then choose someone, myself, and I'm going to notify them by email, and I'm going to submit it. Now, because I've already got content assigned, it's going to ask me if I'm going to overwrite that, and I'm going to choose OK. And then it will send me the content. Now, under my pathways, or under pathways, you can see my pathway now has those 6 elements that I have been asked to complete. And you'll see that we've got the videos and the quizzes that I need to complete. How can you see whether people have completed? Well, there are 2 reports that we can run. First one is the advanced user reporting. And you can see here, this gives us a breakdown of the number of users, how many hours have been watched. And if I want more granular data, I can actually choose either the whole cohort or just an individual person, and I can download their activity over a particular time period. So that's the usage data, but I can also pull the quiz report. And in the quiz report, I can see which tryouts the individuals have completed, what score they got, and how many attempts they made, and when they did the quiz. So I can get not just the usage report, but also the quiz report too. So Felix is a great way of giving pre-curated content, but also dedicated curated content that exactly meets the needs for my team.